I just picked up this labor-saving arm jack, 15.5 inches for lifting stuff, cabinets. I'm using it for cabinets. I guess you could use it for whatever. Hopefully they work really well. One, two jack stands, two end pieces, and some rubberized mat pads. These go up here. Take out this little set screw. Put this this trigger right here releases the stand, and then this brings it up. I got a measuring tape on this side, smooth on this side. I think these are gonna work out perfect. I'm gonna test them out, see if I can't raise up this cabinet. All right, moment of truth. Looks like they work out real well. To relieve the pressure and set the piece back down, it's this little lever on top.